Right. There's the first butter. That's the first butter. This is what you do. The syrup in the butter.
Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot, didn't I, Duncan? So, hello and welcome to Duncan's Cookery Lessons.
Yes, this
yes.
is cookery lessons.
What's for the golden syrup?
The syrup's got to go in with the butter.
Alright.
And then the chocolate got to go in. And it's going to taste really nice.
Camera's over here.
Yes, very nice. You enjoy it. Just a little bit of syrup. That's that one. And then you get the chocolate. There's chocolate.
The chocolate.
And then you put the chocolate in there.
How much?
That much.
Look.
And there's the chocolate.
Slowly stirring and normal heat.
Yes. See, look. Look at that. Lovely.
I bet. And by the way, Kent's Belly Buster. No, I'm afraid for those viewers out there, Kent's Belly Buster, not good. Belly Buster, it's been busted by my belly. Don't film it one bit.
And that's my taste. Oh, lovely.
You missed one bit out, Duncan.
And that's how you make chocolate. Look at that. That's how you make chocolate.
Oh, very good. Still. Without making too much mess.
Right. Let your mum taste a bit of it. Right. Rose, it's done. You've got to taste a little bit of it, but it's a bit hot, be careful with it. Right. That's the chocolate.
That'd be nice.
Right. Let's try that little bit there on there, right? Slowly. That's my chocolate.
Say it, man.
That's how it's very sweet. And that's with golden syrup. And that's what the chocolate is. That's all it is.
Hello. Ladies and gentlemen, mum, we've had a bit of a technical problem.
Once that's set, it could be nice.
It is nice, yeah. Good. Very good. That's my cookie, little bit. Thank you.